have a question. It's a sensitive topic.
Okay, go ahead.
So, who can claim asylum?
Right, okay. It is quite sensitive, isn't it? Especially nowadays, been politicized quite a lot. Well, asylum, mainly you're obtaining protection from the UK government under the international law. So it's UK's obligation under 1951 Refugee Convention, under which asylum can be granted to those who have fear of persecution in their home country. And this persecution has to be based on particular reasons. So reason has to be your race, your religion, your nationality, member of a particular social group, which is a bit wide, and political opinion. Generally, people think that it's just the political opinion, but that's not the case. So you have all these other reasons: race, religion, nationality, member of a particular social group. Particular social group means, for example, in certain countries, it's if women don't have rights, they could be classed as particular social group. Women who are deprived of their rights, for example, or in some cases you have LGBT groups, for example, or some other groups who are being persecuted in the home country. They can, these are all the reasons for claiming asylum. Now, who can claim asylum? Well, generally speaking, anyone who fears persecution in the home country based on these reasons can claim asylum, but it must be claimed as soon as you're made aware of your fear of persecution, that you will be persecuted. Um, so, if you are coming to the UK knowing that your life is at threat, you must claim asylum at the airport. If you have not claimed asylum at the airport, then it will be a credibility issue for you. Further, you will have to explain as to why you did not take that opportunity when it was presented to you at the first time. Anyone who has lived in the UK for a longer period of time, but throughout that period they did not have any fear of persecution, their life was not at threat in their home country, but threat has recently developed for whatever reasons. It could be that um, you know they were explaining, or they were projecting their opinion on the social media, for example, regarding a particular regime in their home country, and now that they have started getting threats from there, so this is how they have developed the threat. As soon as they were again made aware of that threat and they have no other option, they will have to claim asylum straight away. So these are the reasons why you can claim asylum and how you can claim asylum. Of course, how is a long procedure. This is not something we obviously will cover in this short video, but it is generally speaking two-step procedure where you have to go through the screening procedure where your fingerprints are taken and you are asked basic questions regarding the reasons for claiming asylum, etc. So it can be um, passed on to a caseworker, and then you will have to go through a main interview. Main interview at the moment, depending on the basis of your asylum claim and how busy the whole system is. For example, it can range from few months to sometimes a year or even longer before your main interview has come in. This is where you will be asked detailed questions in terms of your circumstances and your asylum claim. If you have any evidence, please make sure that you present that evidence at the screening or at least at the main interview. You will be given opportunity to present any evidence after that as well, but it's better that you present it straight away as soon as practically possible. Even though the idea is that you may not have any evidence, because if you've run from persecution, you're not going to stop to collect evidence, for example. But any documentary evidence, any other evidence would speak 1,000 words. So it's better that you provide as much evidence as possible. So these are the reasons under which you can claim asylum. I hope it's very clear now.
Thank you.